Thank you for joining this brief overview of MindBody Talent's origin story and mission. If you're watching this video, that means you've chosen the path of holistic healthcare and the disciplines of functional, integrative, personalized, or regenerative medicine. Our origin story is important because it also mirrors the origin stories and missions of the healthcare practices we serve and the healthcare professionals we recruit into those practices. In a very real way, this is our shared story. Robin Stewart and Rich Hoffman founded MindBody Talent on April 10th of 2019. Driven by a burning desire to fix the many things that went wrong with the Western system of healthcare. Specifically, that meant the system dominated by pharmaceutical drugs and marketing, the handcuffs of health insurance, and government regulations that support a focus on the business of disease management, rather than on the profession of disease prevention and healing. The initial and continuing focus of our company is on talent acquisition, based on Robin Stewart's 25-year history and unique abilities as a professional executive recruiter. The focus on talent also made sense because of the critical roles that clinical and non-clinical professionals play in the transformation of healthcare. They are the folks on the front lines of shifting the pendulum from the current system of disease management back to a profession of healing. To our delight, we found many talented people and practices on that journey. On April 10th, 2024, the 5th anniversary of MindBody Talent's founding, the company launched its second division. Talent Performance Services complement the Talent Acquisition Services division of MindBody Talent by providing AI-fueled consulting, coaching, training, and workshops to client practices, healthcare practitioners, and non-clinical professionals. That technology-supported division is based on Rich Hoffman's 20 years as a Silicon Valley software professional and 7 years leading a Fortune 500 consulting services firm. In a nutshell, MindBody Talent recruits brilliant professionals into healthcare and wellness practices. Then we enable even more brilliance through artificial intelligence-infused performance services. Elevating healthcare requires not only recruiting talented people into practices, but also staying with them to continually enhance their efficiency and performance over time. After 5 short years in business, MindBody Talent has served clients in 20 states across the U.S. We recruit the full range of clinical and non-clinical professionals needed in healthcare practices. From the front desk to the exam rooms and back, MindBody Talent ensures continuity of messaging, customer service, and patient care across all roles and throughout the entire patient experience. The holistic healthcare disciplines of functional, integrative, personalized, and regenerative medicine are the exclusive domains of MindBody Talent. We do zero work in the field of conventional, pharmaceutical-based medicine other than helping to convert people out of it. A prime example of MindBody Talent's work is a very successful client specializing in the field of regenerative medicine. When we began our work with this client in June of 2021, they had one primary physician and a handful of supporting staff in a 5,000 square foot practice. Less than 2 years later, Robin and Rich attended the grand opening of their new 20,000 square foot clinic. By then, MindBody Talent had recruited 13 clinical and non-clinical professionals into the practice and were recognized for contributing to their impressive growth. This case study is relevant because this is a model of what many other MBT clients are doing to grow and expand their practices in small and large ways. Fueled by the talent that MindBody Talent provides, our client practices are able to address additional health conditions, add new therapy modalities, expand their patient panels, and enhance the performance of practice operations. As Robin Stewart says, "When patients feel better, they want to perform better. When they perform better, they want to look better." That's a simple yet profound statement for a powerful formula that MindBody Talent enables for our clients. Adding additional health conditions, therapy modalities, and people resources equates to the opportunity for expanded practice revenue and creating lifelong patient relationships. From its inception, Robin and Rich designed MindBody Talent to enable company efficiency and scalability. We operate within the who, not how model defined by the world-renowned business coaches Dan Sullivan and Dr. Ben Hardy. Within who, not how, each person identifies and focuses on their own unique abilities and leverages other who's to do everything else. That model enables Robin and Rich to lead an organization and their individual divisions with a highly leveraged network of team members, contractors, consultants, freelancers, affiliate partners, and the capabilities of artificial intelligence. Who, not how, enables freedom of time, money, relationships, and purpose for each contributor in the organization, as well as for our clients and our broad network of collaborators. There are multiple metrics and key performance indicators on the path to our mission of transforming and elevating healthcare. We experience proof that we are making a dent in our mission by measuring 3 categories: MindBody Talent, patients, and the industry. Increasing the metrics of MindBody Talent's business means that we are impacting the patients and the market overall through the work we're doing with practices and the careers of healthcare professionals. By conservative estimates, we have already impacted the lives of over 50,000 patients through the work of the clinical professionals we have recruited into health and wellness practices. That mission and those results are what keep the people of MindBody Talent on fire to do our work that doesn't really feel like work. Thank you for letting us share our origin story and mission. If you already work with MindBody Talent as a practice leader or healthcare professional, we appreciate you and honor our opportunities to serve your practices and your careers. If you don't yet work with MindBody Talent, reach out in any of these ways. We would treasure helping to transform and elevate healthcare in your practice or career.